Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mariska. Nice to meet you. Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about the phonetic sounds j as in the word job. You can also hear the sound in words like gym, judge, June, and change. So we'll be using this special phonetic symbol j for the sound. As you can see, this symbol actually consists of two consonants. The stop sound d as in dog and the fricative sound z as in vision. Now let's find out how to make the j sound. As I mentioned it before, you need to merge the j sound and the j sound into one sound. First, slightly open your mouth and push out your lips. Now focus on your tongue. Place the tip of your tongue on the alveolar ridge behind your upper front teeth, just as you do when you make the j sound. This way, you stop the air. Now, to release the air, arch your tongue so it's near the roof of your mouth. The same way as you do for the z sound. There's a small gap for the string. The j sound is a voice sound, so don't forget to add your voice. Now, let's practice it with me. Repeat after me. J, j, j. Now let's practice with some words. Gel, jar, jeans, job, joint, joke, juice, jump, just, adjust, agency, angel, budget, danger, magic, age, arrange, bait, read, Kate, huge, image, and one more, paid. Yay! How does it? Is it easy or difficult? If you enjoyed this video, please kindly to click the like button and subscribe button if you want to. And please write the comments and let me know your comments about my video. Thank you. See you on the next video.